Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain, and I have this Maverick Trail 1000 here. And there's a lot of cool parts that fit on this from Tusk. But today I want to show you the two different mounting options that you have if you want to get a light bar installed on your Maverick Trail. The first one are the roof brackets. So these are made from powder coated steel. These are going to mount up either to the Tusk roof or to the OEM roof. And these are going to work with the Tusk 30-inch curved or straight light bar. So what's nice about these brackets when you pair these up with the Tusk roof is that there will be a template and actually locations already set for you to get these brackets installed. But again, like I said, if you do have the OEM roof, you can make these brackets work with that one as well. So you've got this option up here on the roof. Now this roof is going to fit Maverick Trail, Maverick Sport, and Commander models. And the best way to know if anything's going to fit your machine specifically, just enter the year, make, and model either on the product page or on our home page. Now the second option are these light bar brackets right here in the front. Now these light bar brackets here are going to work with the Tusk 12-inch light bar. And these are designed specifically to work with the mounting bracket for the Tusk folding glass windshield. So this setup right here in the front, you cannot buy this separate. This will just come included if you decide to go with the Tusk folding glass windshield. But what I love about this setup, if you haven't watched our product spotlight already on this windshield, you need to. But it's a premium glass windshield that folds down out of the way when you don't want to have it up. And integrated into these tabs right here where the windshield folds onto, you have these brackets that hold that 12-inch light bar. And this setup, this windshield will fit the Maverick Trail and the Maverick Sport models. So again, if you have one of those machines that I just mentioned, if you're looking to get a light bar setup, or maybe you want a full windshield and a light bar, these are two really good options. If you have questions or comments, we would love to get those answers, so make sure leave those down below. To grab one of these and again, see everything that we carry for your side-by-side, click on the link. Head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over $75. And if you want to stay up to date on products like this and always be notified when they're being released and see the videos, get subscribed and hit the notification bell. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.